everyone, welcome back in my new topic. Hope so my learning and my topic will provide lot of impact on your life too. The main purpose of this topic is about anyone can start their earning in any age. But remember that without learning there is no earning. And earning there is a patience level we have to maintain in our own life. So let's begin with the topic. All things are difficult before they are easy. Means implication is required for learning. And without patience there is no learning. Every beginning step is a tough step for the beginners. But remember that with your practice or with your learning, the difficult step converted into the easy step. So patience is required during the learning. See, nothing is impossible in this world. Impossible word itself says that I am possible. But meanwhile, you also remember that without learning, you cannot do anything in your life. Learning is required, is essential in our own life. So be a learner first, then implement it. The success will touch your feet, definitely. But patience is also required with your learning too. Sometimes easy thing becomes so difficult. It is not because of that the things are easy or the things are difficult. Because it is because of the set of our own mind. What we set in our mind, it seems to be like that only. See, if you want to start up your own business, on program, on coaching classes or anything in the life you want to do, the first step is always tough, hard, but remember that never lose hope. See, I will explain it with an example. If you start some business or any program and you reach A to B, and there are lot of patience also required and lot of learning also required. If you lose your patience and you say that I will not do it anymore, yaar ye mere se nahi hota hai, then you stop that program and wait, I have to change my program, another program from the point A, and it take a long way to reach B. A lot of efforts again acquired and a lot of time is wasted in this procedure. While start with a new program, you have to continue from B to C. Means that you have to be patient what you have started. It required time, it required learning, it required patience, and sometimes it required compromises also. See, the person is so successful in their life. We also want to follow that person, but we forget that the success behind that person is their patience, their learning, their compromises, and lot of struggle. But we never see these things behind the person. We see only success, how successful the person is. Without hard working, without patience, without learning, without compromises, no one can touch the sky. Hard work is required in every field. So, everyone can start their own earning, but remember that without learning there is no earning. You can also earn. You can also start earning. But these conditions are required in your earning too. Achieve it. And then you will definitely succeed. Implement it. And follow it. Hope you implement it. Thank you.